Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make Cinnamon Toast Crunch marshmallow cookies. If you love this cereal, you will love this recipe. To get started, add 225 grams of softened butter to the stand mixer bowl, along with 250 grams of white sugar and 150 grams of brown sugar. Cream together with the paddle attachment for 5 minutes. Make sure to scrape down the bowl as you go. Now add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix this on high speed for 5 minutes, and while that's happening, measure out 150 grams of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Crush it up into smaller pieces with your hand. I like a mix of small crumbs plus bigger pieces. Now measure out 240 grams of flour, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Give everything a quick mix and add it to the wet ingredients. Mix on low speed and try not to make a mess like I did. Mix just until the dry ingredients are mixed in. Then add 65 grams of mini marshmallows and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Continue mixing until everything is combined. Then mix with a spatula to make sure the dough at the bottom of the bowl is mixed through. Using a 2-ounce cookie scoop, scoop the cookie dough and place it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Continue for all the cookie dough. Refrigerate the cookie dough for 45 minutes before baking. Then bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 12 minutes. When they come out, you'll see the marshmallows that were on the edge of the cookie spread out. Of course you can leave them like this, but I like to take a cookie cutter around the same size as the cookie to reform the cookie into a perfect circle. And that's it! Cinnamon Toast Crunch is one of my favorite cereals, so of course I love these cookies. They're slightly crispy from the cereal, but at the same time soft and gooey, especially when you get bites of marshmallow. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!